Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami crane. This one is a variation of the traditional version, which is probably the most famous origami in the world. This version starts similarly, but the steps are much easier and the result looks really good. To start, you'll need a square piece of paper. First, we need to fold the paper in half along both diagonals, making an X. To do that, bring one corner to the opposite corner, press the crease to reinforce, unfold it, fold along the opposite diagonal, unfold that too. Now flip the paper over, fold it in half horizontally and vertically. Start by bringing the bottom edge to the top, unfold it. Now fold the right side to the left, unfold this as well, flip the paper over again. Now, using the creases we made, let's close the paper by bringing all four corners to the center, like this. Reinforce the creases very well. Now, fold the bottom edges to the middle, creating two new diagonal creases on the first layer. Start with the right side. Just bring the open edge to the middle, like this. Now do the same on the left side. Unfold both. Open the first layer. And using the creases we made, fold both sides to the middle, creating a new flap. Bring this flap up. Reinforce everything. With that done, turn it over and repeat the same steps. First, fold the bottom diagonal edges to the middle. Then unfold, open up, and bring both sides to the middle, creating a new flap. Now we need to bring the side corners to the center. We can fold the right side first. Then the left. Now flip it over again. Fold the other two corners the same way. Now pay close attention to the next steps. First, close the front and back sides, revealing the other two sides. Then fold the bottom flap up, align it with the other two on top. Do the same on the other side. Now, just like before, close the front and back sides again. Keeping it open like it was before. Fold this flap down to create the wing. Do the same on the other side. Now at the end, fold a little bit of the paper on one side to create the head and beak. For a better result, you can open the top part a bit. Now just bring the wings up, and our origami crane is ready! In my opinion, this version is much easier than the traditional model. I think it looks great like this, but some people like to pull the wings a bit, making the body puff. I personally think it looks better closed, but you can choose the result you like the most. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video!